May I come, sir?
Please come in. Have a seat, please.
Thank you, sir.
Well, this is the speaking test for International English Language Testing System at English Fantasy. The candidate is Shamsuddin,
Yes, sir.
and the examiner is Muhammad Alamgir Kabir.
Right.
Well, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Well, what's your full name?
My full name is Shamsuddin.
Uh, okay. How do you spell it?
SAMSUDDIN. Shamsuddin.
Well, okay, but so you have one name. Do you have any other name
No,
you should
sir.
prefer to be called?
My full name is Shamsuddin. You can call me same.
Okay, Shamsuddin, where are you from?
I'm from Kumilla. It's situated in the north part of our capital city between Feni and Noakhali.
Well, in the part one, as you know, I'll ask you a few questions about yourself. Okay? And do you work or do you study?
I'm a student. I'm a student at English Fantasy. Recently, I completed my post graduation Kumilla Victoria Government College, Department of Zoology. Now I am trying to learn English for going to abroad.
Well, the subject you have taken from your university, is it a popular subject in your country?
Yes, and that was very popular subject, and that was zoology, and I love that subject. That's why I choose that.
Okay. Um, well, nowadays, people go shopping. And do you like shopping?
Yes, obviously I like shopping. Sometimes when I get free time, that time I uh, go to shopping with my friend. Sometimes I go to shopping my uh, family members because I'm liking shopping.
Have you ever bought anything from online?
Yeah. I sometimes I bought many things from online. Recently, I bought a t-shirt online from Daraz.
Okay. Do you think men and women have different opinions about shopping?
As a Bangladesh, there are big difference because most of the people of Bangladesh are Muslim. Uh, as a Muslim, it's not preferred to go outside women. That's why I think it is not better for women.
Okay. Let's come to the second part of your speaking, and you'll be given a topic. You have to talk 2 minutes on this topic, right? And your topic is describe a historic place where you want to visit at least once, and what the place is, and where it is located, and what's the significance of the place. And okay, I'll be counting time. Well, your preparation time is over. You can start.
Oil. Thank you for providing me this topic. It's very relevant topic for today. Um, um, I want to, if I chance, I want to go to Rangamati in a lifetime one, because Rangamati is a very popular and famous place of our country. It's very naturally, it is very beautiful. If I get free time, I want to go there with my friend for explore new thing, because I think there are a very that place is very beautiful, and every year different kind of people go there for exploring new thing there, because their environment and their location was so beautiful for traveling, and this place is very nice, and that's why I want to go there with my friend or with my family member. So
Okay. What are the ways people can learn about history?
there are many ways people want to learn history, like internet or famous people, they who know the history properly.
And what do you think? What will happen to historical places or buildings in the future?
Yes, there are many historical places in our country. Our government should, and besides, our public should save this place, because historically the place was very nice and very economical value. If we care this kind of place, I think day by day this value is very increased, because most of the people visit here for watching.
And do you think an area can be benefited by having a historical heritage locally?
Yeah, there are many benefit historical heritage, because historical site carry every culture, every country historical site. Anyone can know different things, know about historical by historical place. Historical place carry different things about about every country, every site.
All right, that's the end of your speaking. Right, Shamsuddin, this is the first time you're taking the mock test here?
It's my first time.
First time. See, you have taken less time for the part two first, the thing, right? So 1 minute, just you tried 1 minute, and all of a sudden you surrender,
Yes, sir.
right? And the thing like the structure, the sentence pattern, and I found some sort of rearranged the sentences,
Yes, sir.
the smooth, I mean the syntax, word order, right? We didn't find that one. Like, and many historical places also the
Places, yeah.
number, right? Many takes places, right?
This, yeah.
Yes. And want to learn historically, want to learn, not no, can learn.
Can
They can
learn,
learn,
yeah,
right?
can learn.
And was economical value that is I didn't find the the sentences right, correct. Got it?
Got it, sir.
And suddenly you uncontrolled delivery. Some words you didn't want to say, but what happens, your brain has supplied some sort of words and your mouth has delivered the words, but you in fact you didn't try to go for that one. Okay, like many takes benefits, right? Many benefits. And at least once in my lifetime, right?
It's wrong, I think.
Yeah, once in my lifetime. And for explore, after for, the verb usually takes,
Exploring.
exploring, for exploring new things. And it's not preferred. Well, you fail to understand the question, this
Yeah.
question.
I didn't
I mean, the
understand.
attitude and opinions about shopping, right? Men and women opinion about shopping. So you thought that point of religion, from the point of religion,
Yeah,
you try to answer this question, right? But
right.
in fact, towards shopping and go to shopping. No, go shopping.
Shopping.
No, go
Go
shopping.
shopping.
I go shopping, not I go to shopping. All right. And I'm liking I'm liking shopping. I like shopping, right?
Yes, sir.
I like, not I'm liking shopping. I like shopping. Got it? And uh from university, you drop the preposition from there, right?
Yes, sir.
From.
Yeah.
Got it? Well, you have to work hard, Samsuddin. Honestly, you have to work hard because uh, I'm assessing you with 4.5.
First time, that's why I
Okay.
have to try.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Sir.